Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Research Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare coconut milk rice. Ingredients for coconut milk rice: 1½ cup rice, thoroughly washed and soaked for half an hour. 4 cups of freshly prepared coconut milk. The preparation of coconut milk I made a separate video. I will give you the link in the description. You can check that one, how to prepare fresh coconut milk. Little mint leaves, little coriander leaves, 1 bay leaf, small piece of cinnamon, aniseed, around 10 numbers of cashew, onion 2 number, small piece of ginger, 3 green chili and 6 number garlic cloves, salt to taste and required oil or ghee. We are going to grind the garlic, ginger and green chili in the blender. We grind it as a paste. Keep the pressure cooker in flame. Add ghee, bay leaf, cinnamon, aniseed, cashew, I'm going to add the onion, so we're going to add the ginger, garlic and chili paste. It is one of the lunchbox recipe. Add the required salt. Mint leaves and coriander leaves. I am getting nice aroma of mint and coriander leaves. We are going to add the coconut milk. Coconut milk started boiling. We are going to add the rice. So for this rice we are going to leave 4 whistles, because we know the cooking time of this rice. Whatever rice you are using, you have to leave as per that one. So we made today dates pickle as a side dish for this. Always we used to prepare raita. Today a little different, we made dates pickle. The link also I given in description, so that you can check that one also. It's very tasty really. So we left for 4 whistles. The pressure subsides now. Going to check. So it's cooked well. Coconut milk rice is ready to serve. Coconut milk rice from Veggie Research Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.